Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a video where I teach you how you can make an attractive YouTube thumbnail that will attract people to come and watch your videos. So well, I have recently uploaded a video called how to take backup of your WordPress website, and I wanted to show you guys how did I make the thumbnail of that video, because it looked kind of attractive and a lot of people have been asking me how did I do that. So let me just show you that. Just open your Photoshop, basically. Okay, so let me adjust this. Alright, so your video is about a WordPress backup. So basically you have to show your WordPress dashboard. I think that'll look a little attractive. So here I have a WordPress dashboard. So let me just take a quick screenshot of it. Okay, once you've taken the screenshot of your thumbnail, okay, so just take a screenshot of your dashboard, because that's what our video is related to. I just took a screenshot of that and pasted it here. This is going to be our background. Now, I want for this to be a little, not that, it's too bright. So let me just put an overlay of black color. So I'm just going to take this marquee tool, which I took on the wrong side. Okay. I'm going to take the rectangular marquee tool and just right click and fill. I'm going to select the color black because that'll make this more visible, whatever I put over this. So now as you can see, I have the screen to be black. And I'm just going to go into FX, blending options, and I'm going to lower down the opacity a little bit, the full opacity a little bit. It's a little too much. Okay, I think this much opacity to be lowered is perfect. Now my video is basically about a plugin that's the best for taking backups. So obviously I have to show that plugin over here so that viewers know, okay, this is what I'm looking for. So just take a screenshot of that or download it, just like I did. I didn't download it. Okay. So we're just gonna go, and here, as you can see, I searched up Updraft Plus. I'm just gonna copy the image and I'm gonna paste it on over here. Just gonna enlarge it and put it in the center. Okay, now I do not want the white background this half, so I'm just gonna take this magic wand tool from over here and delete whatever's going on back there. Now, as you can see, it's over here. Now I enlarged it and it looks like that, but this still doesn't look attractive. All I can see is the dashboard. I mean, I'll see the dashboard if I am. So what I'm going to do is, to make this more attractive, I'm going to put up a glow effect onto this logo of Updraft Plus. So I'm just going to go ahead and FX select outer glow, and I am thinking to put on some glow. So I'm just going to adjust the spread. Okay, the opacity is 100% because that's how I want it to be. And I'm going to put on the size to give out light right over here and click OK. Now if you see this, I think this looks pretty attractive. Now I can see Updraft is the main hero of this scene. So that is basically how you make a attractive thumbnail. Let me know what other videos do you want. Do you want a channel art, how to make a channel art video, how to make your Instagram photos look attractive, how to edit them, how to edit the sky. I've already posted that video. You can go and check that one out. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.